The ocean, a vast mysterious force that covers over 70% of our planet. But beneath its serene surface lies a potential for catastrophe that could reshape our world in an instant. Today, we dive into the depths of how the ocean could trigger the next global disaster. Imagine a world where coastal cities vanish overnight, where entire ecosystems collapse, and where our climate spirals out of control. These aren't just the plots of Hollywood blockbusters. They read scenarios that scientists are actively studying and preparing for. Let's start with mega-tsunamis. Unlike regular tsunamis, these colossal waves can reach heights of hundreds of meters. Picture a wall of water taller than the Eiffel Tower, racing towards land at jet-like speeds. What could cause such a monster? Massive underwater landslides or the collapse of volcanic islands are prime suspects. The Canary Islands off the coast of Africa have long been a source of concern. If a large chunk of the volcanic island La Palma were to collapse into the sea, it could send a mega-tsunami hurtling across the Atlantic, potentially devastating the east coast of the Americas. But tsunamis aren't the only threat lurking in the ocean depths. Beneath the seafloor lies a ticking time bomb of frozen methane. As our oceans warm due to climate change, these methane deposits could suddenly release, triggering a catastrophic chain reaction. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas, far more powerful than carbon dioxide. A large-scale release could accelerate global warming at an unprecedented rate, leading to rapid sea level rise and extreme weather events worldwide. The ocean's currents, too, hold the power to reshape our world. The Gulf Stream, part of a larger system known as the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, helps regulate temperatures across the northern hemisphere. But climate change is weakening this crucial current. If it were to collapse, Europe could plunge into a mini ice age, while other regions face extreme heat and devastating storms. Underwater volcanic eruptions pose another hidden danger. In 2022, the eruption of Hunga Tonga Hunga Hapai in the South Pacific sent shockwaves around the globe. But that could be just a preview of what's to come. Larger underwater eruptions could inject massive amounts of ash and gases into the atmosphere, potentially triggering years of global cooling and crop failures. History serves as a stark reminder of the ocean's destructive potential. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami killed over 230,000 people across 14 countries. The eruption of Krakatoa in 1883 caused global temperature drops and spectacular sunsets for years. These events, while devastating, pale in comparison to what could happen if multiple oceanic disasters were to strike simultaneously. Today, scientists are racing to understand and predict these potential catastrophes. Advanced monitoring systems track ocean temperatures, currents, and seismic activity. Satellite technology allows us to observe changes in sea level and ice cover with unprecedented accuracy. But significant uncertainties remain. The complex interactions between the ocean, atmosphere, and Earth's crust make precise predictions challenging. What we do know is that the ocean is changing rapidly due to human activity. Rising temperatures, acidification, and pollution are pushing marine ecosystems to the brink. These changes could be setting the stage for future disasters on a scale we've never seen before. The key to our survival may lie in how we approach ocean science and preparedness. Increased funding for research, improved early warning systems, and international cooperation are crucial. We must also address the root causes of climate change and ocean degradation to mitigate future risks. As we stand on the precipice of potential disaster, one thing is clear: our fate is inextricably linked to the health of our oceans. The choices we make today will determine whether the ocean remains a source of life and wonder, or becomes the trigger for global catastrophe. The power to shape our future lies in our hands. Will we heed the warnings of scientists and take action to protect our oceans? Or will we continue down a path that could lead to unimaginable consequences? The clock is ticking, and the ocean's patience is not infinite. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of how the ocean could trigger the next global disaster. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please like and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the forces shaping our world. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards preparedness and action. Stay curious, stay informed, and together, we can work towards a safer, more sustainable future for our planet and its oceans.